A very cheerful morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are ready for your English class. As you all know, revision is going on as your September test is there. So, in this week, we will be sending you two tests, that is, one is objective and another one is subjective. For the objective, you will get half an hour. Objective test you have to attempt through Google Forms, and for the subjective, you all know you have to attempt the test in your notebooks. Click the photograph, convert it into PDF file and send it to the email ID. So let's do the hard work in silence and let success make the noise. With this positivity, let's start today's class. Today we are going to revise chapter 6 Kabuliwala. So take out your books and open page number 39. Yes, dear students, let's revise chapter 6 Kabuliwala. First of all, we will learn today the word meanings. Terror means great fear. Terror means great fear. Peddler means a person who travels from place to place trying to sell small articles. So, peddler is a person who travels from place to place trying to sell small articles. Clung means hold tightly. Intimacy means close relationship, or you can say close friendship. Get rid of, became free of something unpleasant which you don't like. So get rid of means because became free of something unpleasant. Ready tact means quick and intelligent action. Calling names means using insulting words. Peals of laughter means loud burst of laughter. When somebody was extremely happy, he used to laugh with wholeheartedly, that is loud burst of laughter. Argument means quarrel. Thrash means beat with a stick. Bashfully means shyly and a little nervously. Shyly means to when you feel shy to ask something to somebody, right? Shyly and a little nervous. Was startled means suddenly surprised. Persisted means continued to exist. Let's learn again. Terror means great fear. Peddler means a person who travels from place to place for selling the articles. Clung means hold tightly. Intimacy means close friendship or close relationship. Get rid of means become free of something unpleasant. Ready tact, intelligent action, quick and intelligent action. Calling name using insulting words. Peals of laughter, loud burst of laughter. Argument means quarrel. Thrash means beat with a stick. Bashfully means shyly and with a little nervous. Was startled means shocked or surprised. Persisted means continue to exist. Now, first question is describe the appearance of Kabuliwala. Kabuliwala was a tall, shabbily dressed street vendor. He was a tall, shabbily dressed street vendor. He had a turban over his head, a bag over his shoulder, and a few boxes of dry grapes in his hand. And his name was Rahman. So I repeat, Kabuliwala was a tall. He was a tall man, shabbily dressed means dirt. He was wearing dirty clothes, shabbily dressed street vendor. He had a turban on his head and a bag over his shoulder and a few boxes of grapes in his hand, and his name was Rahman. Okay, I repeat, Kabuliwala was a tall, shabbily dressed street vendor. He had a turban on his head, a bag over his shoulder, and a few boxes of grapes in his hand. His name was Rahman. Coming to the next question, who was Minnie, and write something about her. So, who was Minnie? Minnie was the narrator's daughter and important character in the story. She was introduced as 5-year-old girl who was very talkative, inquisitive and energetic. She was very close with her father, preferring him instead of a short-tempered mother who frequently scolded her for talking too much and asking too many questions. Minnie was quite amiable and easily mixes up with others. And this behavior of her can be shown by the way she talked with Kabuliwala in spite of the age difference they had. Okay, so Kabuliwala was the narrator's daughter and she was introduced as 5-year-old girl in the story. She was introduced as 5-year-old girl who was very curious, inquisitive and energetic. She was very close with her father and preferred her father instead of her short-tempered mother who always scolded her for talking so much and asking too many questions. Now she was quite amiable. Amiable means she gets mixable mixes with everybody in a very small time. She is quite amiable and easily mixes with others, and this behavior of her we can see with her friendship with Kabuliwala irrespective of their age difference. Coming to the third question. Why did Minnie fear from Kabuliwala? Because she thought that in his bag 2-3 children were already there whom he had kidnapped. Okay, so Minnie was afraid of Kabuliwala as she had a blind belief that inside the big man's bag there were 2-3 other children like herself. I hope it is clear. Next is, what did Kabuliwala offer Minnie to befriend her? What did he offer? Kabuliwala offered Minnie some raisins and apricots, or you can say some raisins and nuts to befriend her. However, did Minnie accept the little treat from him? Initially, though, she was afraid, right? So Minnie was so afraid of the Kabuliwala that she did not accept the treat from him. So what did Kabuliwala offer Minnie? He offered raisins and apricots. He offered raisins and apricots to Minnie or to befriend her. But she was afraid of the Kabuliwala. That's why she did not accept the treat from him. Now, why did Kabuliwala want to befriend Minnie? Why Kabuliwala wants to do friendship with Minnie? Any idea? Yes, I know you have an idea that Minnie reminded Kabuliwala of his own daughter who lived in Afghanistan. So therefore, when he heard Minnie calling out to him, he was drawn to her. He offered Minnie the dry fruits, imagining that as if he was giving to his own daughter. So when they became friends, Minnie's company helped him forget the pain of being away from his own daughter. So Kabuliwala wanted to befriend Minnie because Minnie reminded him of his own daughter. Who lived in Afghanistan. So, and when they became friends, Minnie's company helped him to forget the pain of being away from his own daughter. That's why he wanted to befriend Minnie as she was exactly the same age of his own daughter. Now name the two intent listeners in Minnie's life. Who were the two listeners in Minnie's life? First one is Kabuliwala and second one is Minnie's father. So the two intent listeners in Minnie's life were her father and second was her newfound friend Kabuliwala. Next is, why did Minnie's mother scold her? Why did Minnie's mother scold her? Minnie's mother scolded her because she had taken half a rupee coin from the Kabuliwala, but no one knew where she got it from. That's why her mother scolded her, because she had a half a rupee coin and no one knew where did she got from. She wanted Minnie to remember that taking things from stranger was not right. I hope it is clear. As Minnie's mother was also afraid of Kabuliwala, she scolded Minnie because she had a half a rupee coin and nobody knew who had given her. Right? And she wanted Minnie to know that taking things from the stranger was not right. Next is, what is the theme of the story Kabuliwala? Yes, I know you knew it. The theme of the story Kabuliwala is mainly friendship. What is the theme of Kabuliwala? The theme is mainly friendship. Apart from their friendship, the relationship of father and daughter has been portrayed very nicely. There are two such father-daughter relationship mentioned in the story. First is Minnie and her father, and second Kabuliwala and his daughter. So the main theme of the story Kabuliwala is friendship. Apart from friendship, father-daughter relationship is also portrayed in this story, and there are two such father-daughter relationship in this story. First is between Minnie's father and Minnie, and second Kabuliwala and his daughter. I hope it is clear. So the theme of the story Kabuliwala is friendship, and apart from friendship, father-daughter relationship is also being portrayed here very nicely. Why was Kabuliwala sent to jail? Kabuliwala had been sent to jail for causing a grievous injury to a man who owed some money from the Kabuliwala for a Rampuri shawl. Now he had been sent to jail for causing a grievous injury to a man who had taken some money from Kabuliwala for a Rampuri shawl. When he refused to pay up, Kabuliwala struck the man with his knife and he was sentenced to some years of imprisonment. I hope it is clear. So, Kabuliwala had been sent to jail for causing a grievous injury to a man who owned his money who owned some money from the Kabuliwala for a Rampuri shawl. When he refused to pay the money, Kabuliwala struck the man with his knife and he was imprisoned, or you can say he was sentenced for some years of imprisonment. I repeat, Kabuliwala had been sent to jail for causing a grievous injury to a man who owned some money from the Kabuliwala for a Rampuri shawl. And when he refused to pay the money, Kabuliwala struck the man with his knife and he was sentenced for some years of imprisonment. So with this, our revision of chapter Kabuliwala is completed, and I hope the word meanings and question answers are very clear to you. Rest of the back exercise we will discuss through OLC. Still, if you have any doubt, you are free to ask anytime. Thank you and have a nice day.